If you had started investing just $200 a month 10 years ago, you'd have over $46,000 right now. Most people don't have that money. Not because they couldn't afford $200 a month, but because nobody ever told them the 5 rules that actually matter. You're about to learn all 5 in the next 3 minutes. And rule number 3 is the one that's silently keeping you broke right now. Rule 1. Your savings rate matters more than your salary. A person making $45,000 a year, who saves 20%, will out-earn a person making $90,000, who saves 2%. That's not motivation talk. That's math. The $45,000 earner builds $9,000 a year in assets. The $90,000 earner builds $1,800. Over a decade, with compounding, that gap turns into 6 figures. You don't need a bigger paycheck first. You need a bigger gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is the entire game. Rule 2. Debt isn't one thing. It's 2 completely different things, and treating them the same costs you thousands. A 24% credit card and a 6% student loan are not the same emergency. If you'd paid off high-interest debt first instead of spreading payments evenly, you'd have saved roughly $3,200 in interest over 5 years on just $8,000 of credit card debt. Low-interest debt can wait. High-interest debt is a fire. Every dollar you throw at the wrong one is a dollar that didn't compound for you. By the way, if this is landing for you, subscribe. The algorithm doesn't push videos that challenge how people think about money unless viewers actively tell it to. Rule 3, the one I mentioned, is lifestyle creep. Every time your income goes up, your spending quietly goes up with it, and you never feel richer. You get a raise from $50,000 to $65,000, and somehow your bank account looks the same 5 years later. That's not bad luck. That's 100% of your raise going to a nicer apartment, a nicer car payment, and food delivery 3 times a week. The fix isn't deprivation, it's automation. The moment a raise hits, move half of the increase straight into savings before you ever see it in your checking account. You'll never miss money you never touched. Rule 4. An emergency fund isn't optional. It's insurance against debt. Without one, a single $1,500 car repair goes straight onto a credit card at 22% interest. With one, it's a Tuesday. 3 to 6 months of expenses sitting in a high-yield savings account isn't wasted money sitting idle. It's the thing standing between you and a 5-year debt spiral every time life throws a surprise at you. This is the rule most people skip because it feels boring. It's also the rule that protects every other rule on this list. Rule 5. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every single time. Someone who invested $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund in 2014 and never touched it would have roughly $35,000 today. Someone who waited for the perfect moment to invest, kept watching the news, kept waiting for a dip, they're still waiting. The market doesn't reward people who are clever. It rewards people who are consistent. Set it up once. Automate it. Forget about it. Check back in 10 years. Here's the truth. None of these 5 rules require you to earn more money right now. They just require you to make different decisions with the money you already have. If even one of these hit home, that means you're already ahead of where you were 5 minutes ago. Hit the subscribe button if you want the next video, because next week is about the one number your bank never shows you, and it's the number that actually determines if you're getting richer or poorer. See you in the next one.